So what I would like to do is talk a little bit about how I put this together, the theme of this, how it ties together, and then talk about a little bit about the construction, and then I'd like to show you just run the trains. Yeah, so this is the diesel engine train that my dad brought me, as I mentioned earlier, it has United States Navy train. I added a couple of the blue cars, the missile cars, that weren't in the original train just because of the consistent color and because of the military applications. But that engine is 60 years old and has never stopped running, has never not worked. It's really the workhorse of all of the cars I have.